Hello, everyone. Are you trying to get better, more accurate answers from AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini? Sometimes, when you ask a complex question, the AI rushes and gives you a strange or completely wrong answer. It's frustrating, right? You know it's smart, but it's not reasoning correctly. Well, today we are going to fix that. We're talking about a very powerful technique called chain of thought prompting, or COT. So what is it? Simply put, chain of thought prompting is a way to make a large language model think step by step. Instead of just asking for the final answer, you instruct the model to show its work. You ask it to write out its entire reasoning process, its chain of thought, before it gives you the final answer. I love this analogy. Think of it as the difference between a math student who just writes the answer is 11 and a student who shows all their calculations on the page. By forcing the AI to show its work, it's much more likely to follow the correct logical path and get the right answer. Okay, but why does this work so well? There are three main reasons. First, it stops the AI from guessing. For a complex problem, an AI might just jump to an incorrect conclusion. Chain of thought forces it to slow down and analyze each part of the problem one by one. Second, it breaks down complexity. A difficult, multi-step problem becomes a series of simple, one-step problems. And AIs are very good at solving simple, one-step problems. And third, it provides transparency. This is so important. If the AI does make a mistake, you can look at its chain of thought and see exactly where its logic went wrong. You can see the error, and then you can fix it in your next prompt. This all sounds good, but let's see a clear example. This is the best way to understand it. Let's use a simple logic problem that AI models often get wrong. A cafeteria had 23 apples. They used 20 for lunch and bought 6 more. How many apples do they have now? Now, first, let's try a standard prompt. We just ask the question directly. If we just paste in that question, the model might give a wrong answer, like, they have 49 apples. Why? Because it rushed. It might have just added all the numbers together. 23 plus 20 plus 6 equals 49. It didn't think about the sequence of events, that some apples were used. Okay, now let's try the exact same problem, but with a chain of thought prompt. This time, we add one magic phrase at the end. We say, how many apples do they have now? Let's think step by step. And now, look at the model's answer. It's completely different. Okay, let's break this down. The cafeteria starts with 23 apples. They used 20 apples for lunch. This is subtraction. 23 minus 20 equals 3 apples. After lunch, they have 3 apples left. Then, they bought 6 more apples. This is addition. 3 plus 6 equals 9 apples. Final answer. They have 9 apples now. See the difference? By adding that one simple phrase, let's think step by step. We guided the AI to follow the correct logic, and it arrived at the correct answer. So, to summarize, next time you have a complex problem for an AI, whether it's math, logic, coding, or planning, don't just ask for the answer. Remember to use chain of thought prompting. Just ask it to think step by step and watch the quality of your answers improve. I hope this quick tip helps you get much better results. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more AI and tech tips.